Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you all are fine, with cool and having chill. So if you guys are new here, so please subscribe to this channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And in this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you tie a beautiful Arabic headscarf to cover your face and your ears and neck from the sunlight. Okay, so this headscarf is really useful for the people who travel a lot. Let's start this tutorial right now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if yep, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. Allah Hafiz till my next video.